Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the error code that says either 2110-2203 or 2110-2203. So if you get this code, it is connected with your network problems. I'm gonna go to the home screen maybe. Let's talk about the password first, because this is the most common issue where you might have just accidentally entered the wrong password for your Wi-Fi network. So if that problem occurs after after trying connecting to the network for the first time, or after you've changed your Wi-Fi router configuration, then you should go to the settings, then go to internet settings, select the network you want to connect to, and that network is probably in saved, but you cannot connect to it because once you try to connect to it, it shows you the error code. To fix that, you should simply click on change settings, then click on enter password and re-enter it, and minding all the letter capitalizations and everything else, because it's very important that all the unique capitalization or symbols need to be used exactly in the password, of course. And in most cases that resolves the issue, but if it doesn't, then you may either try reconnecting by simply finding your I'm gonna save it here, finding it on the saved networks, deleting it, that network, of course. I'm gonna wait a moment until it finds it. Click on it, then you can click on clear settings. It'll remove it, and now in the networks found, you'll see your network if you're close to it, and you should be able to connect it. Also, there's a chance that you are too far from the router and your Nintendo may just not catch enough signal. And another thing is that sometimes the Nintendo has some problems with connecting to 2.4 gigahertz networks, which are the most common ones. So if your router has two different names of the network, and the one of them at the end includes 5G or 5 gigahertz, then select that, because for some weird reason Nintendo just deals better with the 5G connections instead of 2.4. But if you don't have it, then try also making sure that there is such things like speakers, power strips, glass, cordless phones, or other things like that, microwaves that may don't have to, but may really impact your network stability. And the last thing is to simply shut down your router. Unplug it from the power for at least 30 seconds, but honestly I'd recommend even up to 5 minutes. And then just plug it into the wall and see if it helps. I hope it helps you, and let me know in the comments down below if it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.